Let's compare ELM adapters and discuss how to select the best one. The price might vary from $4 to $69. We have inCarDoc Bluetooth adapter, VGate Wi-Fi adapter, and ELM 327 Mini. Prices are on the screen. All of them are OBD2 supported. We will start with Mini. These adapters are inexpensive and the price depends on the seller. However, they do not guarantee quality and often do not connect to apps or simply do not see the car. VGate adapters support Wi-Fi connections. Our inCarDoc app is compatible with Wi-Fi adapters. Such adapters were used by iOS users, but modern BLE connectivity is secure for both iOS and Android. You can choose the adapter you like the best, but now you know the difference between them. inCarDoc is a branded inCarDoc app adapter. It uses Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) to support reliable connection with iOS and Android. It was developed and thoroughly tested by inCarDoc professional engineers. To buy inCarDoc adapter, follow inCarDoc.com.